Hello, sweet soul, and welcome back to Brit's Bedtime Stories. Tonight, we're beginning something completely new. For a while now, I've wanted to create a series that explores some of the greatest mysteries humanity has ever asked. Questions that have inspired scientists, philosophers, astronomers, neuroscientists, dreamers, and curious minds for thousands of years or more. Questions like, what is consciousness? How did the universe even begin? Why does anything exist at all? And perhaps my favorite question of all, how is it that tiny collections of ancient stardust eventually became capable of wondering where they came from? Now, before we begin, I want to share something important with you. This series isn't about telling you what to believe. Science is an incredible journey of discovery. It continues to grow and to evolve, just like all of life. And it obviously surprises us. Some of the ideas you'll hear tonight are among our best supported scientific understanding. Others are fascinating hypotheses. Others remain open questions that brilliant minds continue to explore. And some are simply beautiful possibilities, because I believe something rather special. Wonder doesn't require certainty. Sometimes the greatest gift isn't finding every answer. Sometimes it's simply allowing ourselves to ask beautiful questions. And furthermore, research suggests that experiences of awe and wonder can help quiet our busy minds, soften our perspective, and help us feel more connected to something larger than ourselves. Perhaps that's one reason so many of us instinctively look up at the stars. Not because we expect answers, but because something deep inside of us remembers how to wonder. So, tonight, take one slow, deep breath with me in and out. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your curiosity to awaken. And simply be open to the possibility that the universe may be even more mysterious and even more beautiful than we currently understand. Together, we'll journey across nearly 14 billion years, beginning before the first star ever shined. Welcome to Quantum Wonder. This is Chapter 1, when the universe became aware of itself. Now, get nice and cozy. Take another slow, gentle breath in and out. and let's begin. Now, if it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close. Take a slow, gentle breath in and slowly let it go. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Notice the gentle rise of your chest, the soft rhythm of your heartbeat, the quiet support beneath your body. Feel your shoulders becoming just a little heavier, your jaw softening, the tiny muscles around your eyes relaxing. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing to accomplish, nothing to solve. For these next few moments, simply allow yourself to wonder. Imagine not darkness, because darkness only exists where light has meaning. Instead, imagine possibility, a place beyond pictures, beyond language, beyond imagination itself. A place so unfamiliar that the human mind struggles even to describe it, to comprehend it. Before stars, before galaxies, before atoms, before space stretched between distant worlds, before time quietly began counting its endless moments, there existed, well, that depends on whom you ask. For thousands of years, humanity has imagined many beginnings. Some spoke of oceans, of chaos. Some imagined songs. Some envisioned divine creators. Others imagined endless cycles of birth and rebirth. Today, science offers its own remarkable story, not complete, not finished, still unfolding. A story built not upon certainty, but upon observation, curiosity, mathematics, and an extraordinary willingness to admit we don't yet know. There is something deeply beautiful about that. The courage to remain curious, the courage to continue asking, the courage to wonder. Modern physics tells us something astonishing. What we often think of as empty space may not actually be empty at all. Imagine standing upon an endless ocean, not made of water, but of invisible energy fields. No waves crashing, no wind, no horizon, only stillness. Yet, beneath that stillness, something quietly stirs. Tiny ripples, gentle fluctuations. Brief whispers of energy appearing, disappearing, appearing once more. Like fireflies glowing for less than the blink of an eye. Scientists call these quantum fluctuations. One of the most fascinating discoveries in modern physics. Not because little particles are choosing to dance, but because reality at unimaginably tiny scales behaves in ways that continue to surprise us. The deeper we look, the stranger, and somehow the more beautiful nature becomes. If you could somehow shrink smaller than an atom, smaller than a proton, smaller than a quark, until the distances themselves became almost impossible to imagine, you would not find perfect emptiness. Instead, you would discover movement, potential, possibility, an invisible symphony playing continuously beneath everything we know. Imagine placing your fingertips upon the surface of a perfectly calm lake. From far away, it appears completely still, but close enough. Tiny circles spread gently across the surface, ripples meeting ripples, quietly interacting. The quantum fields are something like that. Not a lake, not water, but an endless foundation from which everything else may emerge. There were no mountains, no oceans, no forests dancing in the breeze, no birds greeting the morning, no laughter, no music, no poetry, no dreams, no bedtime stories, no one wondering about consciousness, only possibility, patient, silent, waiting, not because it expected anything. Expectation requires minds. Expectation requires time. Neither yet existed, only possibility. Take another slow breath. Imagine holding an acorn in the palm of your hand. It seems so small, so ordinary, yet hidden within that tiny seed is the possibility of roots, branches, leaves, thousands upon thousands of future acorns, birds resting in its limbs, children playing beneath its shade, entire ecosystems sleeping quietly within something so small. Perhaps the early universe was something like that, not empty, not complete, but filled with astonishing potential. Every galaxy, every sunrise, every heartbeat, every act of kindness, every friendship, every smile, every question, every dream, every person who has ever lived, human or not, resting quietly within possibility itself. Not as destiny, not as certainty, but as extraordinary potential. Allow that image to settle gently inside your imagination. No need to decide whether it is exactly true. Simply notice how it feels. Sometimes the mind relaxes, not because it finds answers, but because it discovers wonder. Then something extraordinary happened. Roughly 13.8 billion years ago, our universe entered an unimaginably brief period known as cosmic inflation. For a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a second, space itself expanded faster than light travels through space. At first, that sounds impossible, but here's the beautiful distinction. Nothing was racing through space faster than light. Rather, space itself was stretching. Imagine drawing two tiny dots upon the surface of a balloon. As the balloon gently inflates, the dots move farther apart, not because they are crawling across the rubber, but because the surface itself is growing. The universe may have experienced something similar. A tiny beginning, expanding with breathtaking speed, making room for everything that would someday exist. Galaxies, stars, planets, mountains, trees, ocean waves, and eventually a small blue world orbiting an ordinary yellow star. A world where one evening someone would lie comfortably beneath warm blankets, listening to the story of how they came to be. Take another slow breath in and out, and feel your chest gently rising, then softly falling. Imagine yourself floating peacefully within this newborn universe. There is no up, no down, only warmth, brilliant light, expanding space, and possibility becoming reality. As expansion gradually slowed, the universe continued cooling. Tiny particles formed, meeting one another, separating, meeting again. Eventually, protons, neutrons, electrons, the simplest building blocks, finding one another in an elegant cosmic dance. Not choreographed, not directed, simply following the beautiful laws that shape our universe. Then, hundreds of thousands of years later, something remarkable occurred. The universe became transparent. Light finally was free. Photons streamed across the expanding cosmos. Some of those very same ancient photons continue traveling even now. Scientists still detect them today, a faint whisper from the universe's earliest childhood, known as the cosmic microwave background. Imagine that, the oldest light we can still see, a baby photograph of the cosmos itself, a memory written not in ink, but in light. Take another slow breath in and out. Allow your body to become even heavier, even more comfortable, as though you're floating gently through the quiet darkness, watching the first light spread across existence itself. There is no rush. The universe never hurried. It had no deadlines, no appointments, no expectations. It simply became. And as the universe continued expanding, something quietly beautiful unfolded. Gravity, the gentlest architect in the cosmos, began its patient work across unimaginable distances. Immense clouds of hydrogen and helium slowly drifted toward one another. Not quickly, not dramatically, patiently, like snowflakes gathering upon a winter field. For millions of years, gravity whispered the same invitation. Come closer, a little closer, again, until eventually the pressure became so immense that the very first stars ignited. Imagine witnessing one of those ancient stars for the very first time. After ages of darkness, a brilliant golden light awakens, then another, then thousands, then millions, one by one. The universe begins decorating itself. Galaxies bloom like luminous flowers across an endless cosmic garden. Some spiral gracefully, others stretch into elegant ellipses. Some collide, not in violence, but in magnificent transformation. Two galaxies meeting over hundreds of millions of years, slowly weaving themselves into something entirely new. Even the cosmos reminds us that change can become beauty within the hearts of these newborn stars. Extraordinary things were happening. The intense heat and pressure forged entirely new elements: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, iron, the very ingredients that would someday become oceans, mountains, trees, bird song, and you, sweet soul. Carl Sagan once said, "We are made of star stuff." It sounds poetic, almost mythical, and yet it is one of the most beautiful scientific truths that we know. Every carbon atom in your body, every oxygen atom filling your lungs, every calcium atom strengthening your bones was forged within ancient stars that lived and died long before our own sun was ever born. Take a slow breath in and out, and place your hand gently over your heart if it feels comfortable, feeling its quiet rhythm. The atoms within you have traveled billions of years across expanding galaxies, through exploding stars, across unimaginable distances, only to gather here within you. There is something profoundly humbling about that thought. Not because it makes us small, but because it reminds us we belong. We have always belonged as stars lived and died. They scattered these precious elements across space, like gardeners planting seeds. Eventually, around an ordinary yellow star, a small rocky planet began to form. Earth. Its surface changed, cooled, rain fell, oceans gathered, continents slowly drifted. Lightning danced across young skies. Chemistry became increasingly intricate. Molecules met, separated, recombined, again and again and again, until somewhere life emerged, not all at once, not in a single miraculous instant, but gradually, patiently. Simple cells, tiny beginnings, learning, adapting, changing over billions of years. Life continued its remarkable experiment. Roots reached downward, leaves reached upward, creatures swam, others flew, some learned to walk, eyes evolved to welcome light, ears welcomed sound, brains became increasingly complex, neurons formed astonishing networks, tiny electrical impulses traveled through living tissue, memories appeared, learning appeared, curiosity appeared, and then, perhaps one of the most extraordinary moments in the history of the universe quietly arrived. Somewhere, a living being looked upward and wondered, imagine that. After nearly 14 billion years, hydrogen began asking where hydrogen came from. Ancient stardust began wondering about stars. The universe had become capable of curiosity. Today, scientists continue exploring one of the deepest mysteries of all: consciousness. How does subjective experience arise? How does the feeling of being become possible? Neuroscientists have discovered astonishing things. Your brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons, each neuron communicating through trillions upon trillions of connections. An intricate symphony of electrical activity unfolding every moment of your life. Some researchers explore the idea that consciousness emerges when information becomes richly integrated throughout the brain. Still, others study how the brain constantly predicts the world around us, updating those predictions with each new experience. These ideas have names: integrated information theory, global workspace theory, predictive processing, each one offering a different window into one of nature's greatest mysteries. None claiming complete certainty, all continuing the beautiful tradition of curiosity, because science, at its very best, is not merely a collection of answers. It is a practice of wonder. It asks, it observes, it listens, it changes, and perhaps that willingness to remain curious is one of the most beautiful qualities we possess. Now, notice your own awareness, not trying to understand it, simply noticing it. Notice your breathing, the gentle rise and fall. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the warmth beneath your blankets. Notice your heartbeat. Somehow, out of nearly 14 billion years of cosmic history, the universe has arrived here, experiencing this moment through you. Carl Sagan offered another beautiful thought. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Whether you hear those words as poetry, as philosophy, or simply as an invitation to wonder, they carry something deeply comforting. You, sweet soul, are not separate from this story. You are part of it. The iron in your blood once lived inside a star. The calcium in your bones was born in stellar furnaces. The oxygen you breathe was traveling through forests, across oceans, and through countless living beings. Everything is connected by an ongoing story stretching across billions of years. And now you are one of its newest chapters. Perhaps that is enough. Perhaps you do not need to solve every mystery. Perhaps you do not need to know exactly what consciousness is, or why reality even exists, or what, if anything, came before the beginning. Perhaps it is enough to simply be here, to breathe, to notice, to love, to laugh, to comfort another human being, to gaze upward at the stars, and to remember that curiosity itself is beautiful. Take one final slow breath in and slowly let it go. Feel your body becoming wonderfully heavy. Your forehead smooth, your jaw relaxed, your shoulders melting into the surface beneath you. Every breath carrying you deeper into peaceful rest. The stars above continue their ancient dance. Galaxies continue their patient journeys. The universe continues unfolding exactly as it has for billions of years. And tonight, you have spent a little while wandering alongside it. Thank you for sharing this journey with me, sweet soul. Until our next chapter, stay curious, be gentle with yourself, and remember, sometimes the most beautiful answer is wonder itself. There you go. There you go. That's it. Just let your breathing become slow and easy. The universe will be here in the morning. The stars can keep watch for a little while. You don't have to carry anything tonight. Just rest. Just dream and drift peacefully into sleep. There you go. You're doing so perfectly well. You're allowed to rest now. You're allowed to let your starlit body heal. Good night, sweet